Welcome back to Global Pro English. I am Mike. And I am Sarah. Today we have a very special high-impact session. We are talking about mistakes, not just grammar mistakes. We are talking about the specific errors that make you look junior. That is right. In business, your English level is often your first impression. If you make small, basic mistakes, people might think you are not ready for leadership. It is not fair, but it is true. You could be the smartest engineer, the best accountant, or the most talented manager. But if you say, I am agree, instead of I agree, the room changes. The atmosphere shifts. Your credibility drops. Exactly. Credibility. That is the currency of business. Today, we are going to fix 10 specific mistakes. These are the mistakes that hold you back. And we are not just fixing the grammar, we are fixing the psychology. We will teach you the executive version of these phrases. By the end of this massive session, you will not just speak correct English, you will speak the language of leadership. Are you ready to upgrade your career? Let's get to work. Sarah, let's start with the big picture. Why do these mistakes happen? Usually, Mike, it's because of translation. People translate directly from their native language, but business English relies on nuance. Let's define that. Nuance means a small difference in meaning or sound, but that small difference changes everything. Exactly. Let's look at mistake number 1, politeness versus directness. Many beginners say, I want the report, or give me the file. That sounds aggressive. In my office, if someone says, I want, they sound like a demanding child, not a colleague. Correct. In business, we use modal verbs to soften the request. We say, I would like, or could you please? This is called diplomacy. Diplomacy is the art of dealing with people in a sensitive and effective way. You need to be polite to get what you want. Mistake number 2 is confusing make and do. Beginners often say, I made a mistake, which is correct, but then say, I made business, which is wrong. This is about collocation.
Yes, a collocation is a group of words that naturally go together. Native speakers know them by instinct. You do business. You make a profit. You do your best. You make a decision. If you mess up a collocation, you sound unnatural. It distracts the listener. Mistake number 3, the danger of maybe. Mike, how do you feel when a manager says, maybe we can finish by Friday? I feel nervous. Maybe signals ambiguity. Ambiguity means uncertainty or inexactness. In business, ambiguity kills trust. Leaders need to be decisive. Even if you are not sure, don't say maybe. Say, it is possible, or we are aiming for Friday. Mistake number 4, I am agree. This is the classic error. In many languages, you say I am agreed. In English, agree is a verb. Saying I am agree is a grammar error, but in business, it sounds like you don't understand the basics. It hurts your competence. Competence is the ability to do something successfully or efficiently. You must say, I agree, or I disagree. Mistake number 5, the word actually. This is a false friend in many languages. Yes, in many languages, a word like actuel means currently. But in English, actually is used to correct someone. It can sound confrontational. Confrontational means tending to deal with situations in an aggressive way. If I say, the meeting is at 2 p.m., and you say, actually, it is at 3 p.m., you are correcting me. Use it carefully. If you just mean now or currently, use those words instead. Mistake number 6, problem versus challenge. This is a mindset shift. Beginners say, we have a big problem. Leaders use reframing. Reframing is the process of looking at a situation or thought from a slightly different perspective. A problem is negative. A challenge is an opportunity to fix something. It shows a growth mindset. Mistake number 7, prepositions of time. In, on, at.
Beginners mix these up constantly. The meeting is on 2 p.m. This hurts your precision. Precision is the quality of being exact and accurate. In logistics and scheduling, precision is everything. At for a specific time, at 5 o'clock. On for a day, on Monday. In for a period, in July, in 2024. Mistake number 8, congratulation. Beginners often leave off the S. They say congratulation. This falls under social etiquette.
Etiquette is the customary code of polite behavior. In English, we always use the plural form for celebrations. Congratulations. It builds rapport. Rapport is a close and harmonious relationship. You want to celebrate correctly with your team. Mistake number 9, ending emails with just thanks. It is not wrong, but it can feel cold. We call this professional warmth. You want to end with something that connects. Best regards, kind regards, or thank you for your time. And finally, mistake number 10, boring versus bored. I am boring. I hear this in interviews. A candidate says, I was very boring in my last job. They mean I was bored. ED describes your feeling. ING describes the situation. This is about self-awareness. Self-awareness is conscious knowledge of one's own character and feelings. If you say you are boring, you are insulting yourself. So we have our strategy, we have our definitions. Now we need to practice. We are going to the shadowing lab. We have 50 specific phrases, 5 for each mistake we just discussed. We will do 3 speeds. 1, snail speed for pronunciation and mouth shape. 2, executive speed, clear, slow, authoritative. 3, real-world speed, fast, fluid, natural. Do not skip this. This is where the change happens. Okay, part 3, the shadowing lab. Let's practice replacing I want with polite requests. Phrase 1, I would like to request a meeting. 1, I would like to request a meeting. 2, I would like to request a meeting. 3, I'd like to request a meeting. Phrase 2, could you please send me the file? 1, could you please send me the file? 2, could you please send me the file? 3, could you please send me the file? Phrase 3, I would appreciate your help with this. 1, I would appreciate your help with this. 2, I would appreciate your help with this. 3, I'd appreciate your help with this. Phrase 4, would it be possible to extend the deadline? 1, would it be possible to extend the deadline? 2, would it be possible to extend the deadline? 3, would it be possible to extend the deadline? Phrase 5, may I have a moment of your time?
May I have a moment of your time? May I have a moment of your time? May I have a moment of your time? Now, let's fix the collocations. Remember, do action, make creation. Phrase 6, we need to make a decision today. We need to make a decision today. We need to make a decision today. I'll do my best to finish this. I will do my best to finish this. I'll do my best to finish this. Let's make a plan for the next quarter. Let's make a plan for the next quarter. Let's make a plan for the next quarter. They do business in over 50 countries. They do business in over 50 countries. They do business in over 50 countries. Please make an appointment with my assistant. Please make an appointment with my assistant. Please make an appointment with my assistant. Remove maybe. Use these stronger phrases. Phrase 11, it is highly likely we will succeed. It is highly likely we will succeed. It is highly likely we will succeed. I will confirm the details by tomorrow. I will confirm the details by tomorrow. I'll confirm the details by tomorrow. That is a possibility we should explore. That is a possibility we should explore.
That's a possibility we should explore. We are aiming to launch in June.
We are aiming to launch in June. We are aiming to launch in June. We're aiming to launch in June. I cannot commit to that right now. I cannot commit to that right now. I can't commit to that right now. Never say I am agree. Use the verb directly. I agree with your proposal. I agree with your proposal. I agree with your proposal. I completely agree with that point. I completely agree with that point. I completely agree with that point. We agree on the budget terms. We agree on the budget terms. We agree on the budget terms. I am afraid I disagree with this strategy. I am afraid I disagree with this strategy. I'm afraid I disagree with this strategy. Let's agree to disagree for now. Let's agree to disagree for now. Let's agree to disagree for now. Be careful with corrections. Soften your tone. Actually, the data shows a different trend. Actually, the data shows a different trend. Actually, the data shows a different trend. Currently, we are focusing on sales instead of actually. Currently, we are focusing on sales. Currently, we're focusing on sales. As a matter of fact, we already finished. As a matter of fact, we already finished. As a matter of fact, we already finished. To be honest, I have some concerns.
To be honest, I have some concerns. To be honest, I have some concerns. To be honest, I have some concerns. Actually, I think there is a better way. Actually, I think there is a better way. Actually, I think there's a better way. Switch to the language of leadership. We are facing a significant challenge. We are facing a significant challenge. We're facing a significant challenge. Let's find a solution to this issue. Let's find a solution to this issue. Let's find a solution to this issue. This is an opportunity to improve our process. This is an opportunity to improve our process. This is an opportunity to improve our process. We need to overcome this obstacle. We need to overcome this obstacle. We need to overcome this obstacle. How can we resolve this situation? How can we resolve this situation? How can we resolve this situation? Let's get the time right. At, on, in. The meeting starts at 9 o'clock. The meeting starts at 9 o'clock. The meeting starts at 9 o'clock. We will launch the product on Tuesday. We will launch the product on Tuesday. We'll launch the product on Tuesday. Our revenue increased in 2023. 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 I am available in the morning. I am available in the morning. I'm available in the morning. Let's meet on the 15th of May. Let's meet on the 15th of May. Let's meet on the 15th of May. Get the S on the end. Build rapport. Congratulations on your promotion. Congratulations on your promotion. Congratulations on your promotion. Please give my regards to your team. Please give my regards to your team. Please give my regards to your team. My condolences for your loss. My condolences for your loss. My condolences for your loss. Thanks a million for your hard work. Thanks a million for your hard work. Thanks a million for your hard work. Many thanks for the update. Many thanks for the update. Many thanks for the update. End strong. Don't be cold. I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your assistance. Thank you for your assistance. Thank you for your assistance. Let me know if you have questions.
If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to check out our other sessions on negotiation and small talk. You are one step closer to global professional status. I'm Sarah. And I'm Mike. Good luck and get to work.